Hello, James. Nadine. Yeah. Hello. Is there a scene sa movie na sobrang excited kayo na mapanood ng fans ninyo? Na hindi ninyo nagawa dun sa mga fans movies ninyo?
Excited ako sa ending. Yes, it's so fun and colorful. And yeah, it's probably one of the most fun scenes I've done in any of the movies I've done so far. So I'm really looking forward to it.
Have you been to a long-distance relationship? If yes, how did you survive the relationship?
Me, I've never tried a long-distance relationship. Never. And I'm not the kind of person who believes in long-distance relationships. But after playing this character, it makes me feel like, it's possible. If you feel they're the one for you, you'll go any distance, you'll wait any time to be with them.
How far can you go in fighting for your relationship? Say ngayon, maraming bashers, maraming intriga sa relationship ninyo. How far can you, try to protect Nadine and Nadine using?
I think we've got to a point where we just don't care. They can say what they want to say. It's for promo or whatever. But yeah, we're happy. So
Thank you.
Thank you. Any more questions? Going. Kasi kung wala na po, ikakat na natin yung Q&A portion. To give way, what? Meron pa. Okay, go ahead, Kuya. Ay, ate pala.
Hi guys, how are you? Ano lang, first congrats for the movie. Lang for the premiere.
thank you.
May 3 din ba ang premiere night? May 3?
Ay, at bongga ang aming premiere night.
Yes, it's I think the first ever simultaneous premiere. We have 3 cities: Davao, Cebu, and Manila. There'll be a live streaming of all three cities, and we'll have some of the cast in other cities. I know Brett will be in Cebu, we'll be here in Manila. So
At may mall show.
yes,
May 6, Alabang Town Center.
yes, we'll be in Alabang Town Center for our only mall show. So I hope you guys can make it.
Ayun, congrats naman.
Thanks.
Ayan, I would like to ask the both of you lang, para since the title, kukonect ko lang. Para this time, me and James are parang naging answer and vice versa.
This time,
This time, me and James, or Nadine and I, are
this time, this time it's real. Yeah.
how about that?
Okay na.
Sige, kayo Nadine na lang. Since na-answer na naman ni James na. Para sa part mo naman, this time, James should be, or should be something like
Be resting. Totoo. This time, James should be resting. Well, ano naman po kasi, as in, super hectic po talaga ng schedule and hindi po talagang kailangan din po ng rest. But we're really, really thankful kasi nga po sunod-sunod nga po. It's all a blessing. So, yeah.
Since 2 years na kayo magkasama ni James na, tapos parang 2 months na yung relationship, may mga nagagawa pa ba si James na parang kilig moments or kilig moves na tumatawa pa rin sa'yo?
Ano niya, pag ganyan ka, pag ganyan siya, she can't speak. Kinikili siya. That's her way. But she gets quiet. It's the first time I've seen that with Nadine. Actually, that's what I've learned about her, I guess. Yeah. To answer the previous question.
Sorry. Kakat ko lang. May announce na ako kasi kailangan nilang lumabas. Yung may-ari po ng kotse na AAI 3491, We Go Black. Kung kanino man po yun, pakiayos lang po yung car. Tapos, ito, IJ1021, Ford na Global City. Ano ba yun? Tapos AKA 2681, Ranger na orange. Tapos Fortuner na